me, Apostle Alfred Oyinosa, aka No Shaking, the Apostle of Toka Masibi. I did for a motor housing estate now, where our governor they build for Bobaiha area. So I did it now. They're saying that seeing is believing. Hello, sir. Yes, yes, sir. Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Yes, I've seen the signboard there. Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Okay. Okay, sir. Oh, yeah. So my people, sorry for that break. So this one, a motor accident state where our amiable governor, Godwin Obaseki, they built for this side. They say there's difference between picture and video. So are they in a live and direct? Live and direct. This one not be picture. This one not be Photoshop. This one live and direct. So this one is the great work with the governor they do for Bobaiha Ward 8. Make una share more, see all the project, see all the project. Make una just share this broadcast. Make una see the wonderful work when they go on here. The truth be say, I share for picture. Now say me I don't believe in picture. Me I want go there, go video and face to face. Seeing is believing. See now. My people make una share more. This one a motor garden estate where our governor they do. Make una share. Make una share. Massive work is going on here. So this is the reason why some of us want make this man come back for the second time. So that this work when it go fit finish am. Make una see muna see fine structure here, muna see work. Make una see work. But some people say they never see one thing where this governor don't do. Make una see am. Make una just see project. Work they go on, steady. Work they go on. Make una see. Nado, make una see work. Muna see work. Massive work is going. Some people say they don't see what the governor don't do. Muna see this one at the motor housing estate where our governor they put for grant. See how it's everywhere. See everywhere. My Jehovah Jireh. Hey, even when I walk him away, man, they me mind. Oh, son, no good one. Well, why go state in the governor program? He just why do get me? Why do get me? Why do get me? Why do get me? Me na go do one hour wait yana. A motor has in state in a queue, the governor bo. Why do get me? If I near we am taking the governor for 3 years. Why do get? A motor has in state the governor bo here. Why do get me? This is layout. This is road layout. Make una just share am. Make una just share this broadcast. But muna just share am. Muna see the wonderful work when they go on for year. Muna just see. Some people say they don't want this man to come back. Some of us say he must come back. So that this work when it don't start, it go fit finish am. I say a life and direct. This one be Photoshop. Muna see project they go on here. Make una see am. This is the reason why we want Obaseki to come back for the second time. So that we fit complete this work. I dey here now. I dey a motor garden now. I dey a motor garden estate now. Muna come see for myself. This is the layout. Muna come see. I be Muna just share the broadcast. Muna just share am. Make una see yo sa Wadoga State. So we never walk here man. Everyone here governor wa ngina here man. Waka one I Photoshop. This one not be Photoshop. This one are live and direct. Me I dey live and direct. Talk am as it be. Our time we no share. The governor boking everywhere my dege. Here my dege Danyaruwa If God don't share this money, I want to finish all the project. If they share this money, I want to finish the project. When I see massive project they go on here, people can see. Me I there motor garden estate now, live and direct. This will not be Facebook matter. This will not be Photoshop. This one are live. My people know they see things on themselves. Make una the see things for yourself. Talk as it be. After we no here, you are manana. You are motor as in a state work in the governor. So we are campaigning for a good governor. We are campaigning for good governor. Good governor, person that will deliver the dividends of democracy. Yes, so this is not This is what we have. This is time of we have, and we will complete. On a simple agenda. This one is agenda fulfilled. This will not be simple agenda. This one is agenda fulfilled. This will not be say we. This is what we have. This is what we have on ground, and the reason why we need to complete it. When I get a shared broadcast, I did for a motor housing estate now where the governor they put for grant. Make una come see work, my people. So this is the reason why most of us they campaign for this man, so that he go fit come back for second term to complete all these projects. If not before all the unnecessary distraction, therefore don't go far. I gotta go. None of the CEO. This will not be simple agenda. This is agenda fulfilled. This will not be say we will. This is I have. Mona say I dey here. Mona come see. Mona come see things. Mona come see. Sin is believing. Sin is believing. Yes, so wa dege ujaji o na kina. Uga dege ujaji. If I so we am dege, they say they don't see. Mona come see, but Mona share the broadcast. Make all those people you know they see me they see where. If they share this money, how do they finish the work? Mona see I did for a motor housing estate that life and direct. See Caterpillar they work on the road. No, Mona come see them. Despite the distraction, bring them out to come. Alright on. Despite the distraction, Mona see work, they go on for this place. Mona they share that. As the manager comes, they show everything for television. Make una see I did for a motor and housing estate now. Mona see the wonderful work where they go for it. This is a massive road. They open up all the area. My people, this is the reason why we want make Obaseki come back for the second term to finish this project. When I see when I come see things for ourselves, when I come see Caterpillar everywhere, they walk on the road. Obaseki 4+4 Ogbane, 4+4 Ogbane, Wahage, 4+4 Ogbane. Ima mwemo Obaseki you. Obaseki matter we put out for our head, not before shoulder. Mona see road, that they walk inside the estate. Mona they share the broadcast, Mona see things for ourselves. Mona they look. Mona see wonderful project. So this one are the housing project. I know how many have building inside here. Now see building where full inside where the government don't finish. Mona come look. Mona see things for ourselves. Tell me why they fight this man. Tell me why they are fighting this man. Mona say, tell me why they fight this man when they do good for us for Benin. Why get your man on win do? My go come. My when I get when also when I get okay I wait for 8 years. Okay agba or if Ogbane 8 years Igbane walking winner no Obaseki you. Yeah woman winner. Walking winner walking winner. 4+4 Ogbane walking. So this is the reason why we want Obaseki to come back for second time to complete the project he has started. This project can never be abandoned. Never. My people, when I may ask them, if they share this money, how they want to, bro, Alpha, hold on. If they share this money, how they want to finish this work? When I see work, I did for a motor garden now. If they share this money, how they want to work? So people say they give them a contract with qualification they get. So I dare here now, so people will say, Apostle, leave politics. What do you mean? What do you mean? You know what they call politics? I am God himself is a politician. See, when the righteous is on the throne, the people rejoice. So we have seen one righteous man that is working for us in the door. Mona see work. People greater, they are working. Work is going. Mona see them. They are working on the road. Mona see work they go on. 4+4 banner. No one fear, no fear. Mona they share them. Mona just share the broadcast. Mona see work where the governor they do. Mona see everywhere open. Everywhere open. If you share this money, how they want to work? How they want to work? I don't know why we Benin there. We know some Benin people don't like good things. Some of them don't like good things. Mona see work. See massive work they go on. I there for a motor garden now. Mona see work where they go on for here. God bless governor. I don't need to know governor before I stand for the truth. Never. I don't need to know him before I stand for the truth. Never. 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 When I hear the sound, when I see work, when I see work, when I see work, when I hear the sharing broadcast, when I hear the sharing, make people see, make the whole world see the work where Obaseki they do for you. Where some people say they don't see. This one is a motor housing estate for Ikpobaha. Mona see a motor housing estate for Ikpobaha where Governor Obaseki they build. Mona see despite the distraction, this man see the work. Mona see the road, everything. Everything. The governor have our support. Yeah, so Mona see work they go on for here. 24/7 they are working. This will not be Photoshop. This one is live and direct. We don't believe in Photoshop. This is live. Live and direct. I did for a motor now. I did for a motor housing estate. Mona look at. This will not be Photoshop. Live and direct. Mona just share the broadcast. Mona be sure make people see. John, they say they don't see anything where the governor don't do for 3.5 years. They could not see. This one is the housing estate. Mona see everywhere. Mona see everywhere. 4+4 Ogbane. This is the reason why we want to make this man come back for second term. That's the reason why some of us they advocate for good governance. We know they advocate for any political party at all. Good governor. Now we want. We need a progressive mind. And Obaseki is a progressive man. Make una say he's a progressive man. He's a man building for the generation yet unborn. You know they build for now. You know they build for stomach infrastructure. Politicians only believe in the now, neglecting the future. But Obaseki is a technocrat who is building for the future, making people to suffer now. We love it. My people wanna say, who don't like better thing? My people who don't like better thing. So that's what it be. My name is Sirimi Apostle. Oyinosa, aka No Shaking. The apostle of Tokam as it be. Me, I did for a motor garden right now for Ikpobaha. Trying to show to the whole world a wonderful project where our governor don't put for ground when they do for year. Make I share everywhere. Make I share everywhere. So everybody we go must make sure say Obaseki come back for second term to complete this project. Because if anything happen, this project will be abandoned. And we don't want time at all. We don't want time at all. So if you don't know, see, what have your boy Obaseki yeke. So that he will not get swena. No me o ya we dolefo. And come nowhere. Here kwenu be na finishing when no swen. O salobo here afin wearing. E koboko here have e koboko. Here areba koboko. Wa ge. E me so we am digging on the power here. Wa ge winner. Merema. So we'll keep showing to the whole world the wonderful project that is going on here. This one outside the gate. Sir. Where is sir? So 4+4 Ogbane. When I say this one the front view. When I say everywhere, the man is working. Because your Obaseki you know they make noise, the teacher know they work. So I go say, pastor, what you concern apostle, concern politics. When I forget say God, he said a politician. He said when the righteous are upon the throne, the people rejoice. So there is a man working already and the people are rejoicing. And you want to stand against it, you don't go walk. So Obaseki 4+4 Ogbane. Not good on the share around. They say they want to see the broadcast. They say they want to say anything. When I say, very soon they go tie the main road when they come here. This one a motor housing estate. I did here live and direct. This one not be Photoshop. But I say, oh, this one not be Photoshop. So this one a motor housing estate for Ikpobaha. God bless all of you now. When until they join this broadcast. So my name is Sirimi Apostle Alfred Oyinosa. This is my real face. I am standing for the truth. I will continue to stand for the truth. I don't need to know Obaseki before I stand for him. And I don't need money from anybody to stand for the truth. I don't need money from anybody to stand for the truth. I will continue to stand for the truth, defend the truth with the whole of my life. So that is it. So as an apostle of truth, my duty is to release truth to the people all over the world so that they can see what the governor has put on ground. I will need to give him another 4 years to complete this massive project. As they work for you, I say they work for everywhere for it. Though, make you not worry. I will visit on the side. They give you an update of the work with the governor they do. Oh yeah, make you go make you see that soundboard. So make you see things. The man they see work where they going for here. So my people, we go must support this man. But go must check that signboard. So my people, now me, so me I take it upon myself to make sure say everybody see the good work where the governor don't they do for Ikpoba Oka. This one are the remote and housing estate. So now so it be una do we more than share the broadcast so that the people see they know they see. May they begin to see. Massive project. I beg, make everybody move with join together to support this man so that in the next 4 years he will take complete this project. We know I they abandon this project and they abandon the Yekok Mountain Estate. Where we say all the politicians they can't share for themselves with doing like Igbeneghu regime. We know I this will happen again. If we say young people join the people when he said those house for Yekok Mountain Estate, when I ask him the role when he play for Yekok Mountain Estate and those kind of things we know I make it happen for year again. So my people, now so it be, we will continue to stand for the truth. So that's so it be more than the share them. This is the good work where the governor don't do for Ikpoba Oka. That is it. Una do well. 4+4 Ogbane. 4+4 Ogbane. Those of una we never know say don't decamp, it don't decamp to PDP now. So on the day of election, I no go see Obaseki face. Now PDP umbrella, now I go see. When I put her for umbrella because we want a man that started a good work to finish it without looking back. So all of us, we must support this man to fulfill this mandate. We know one simple agenda. We know what we we know what we what do we hear? What do we hear now? We have. So that's why I call show now. What did the governor don't do? Una do well. When I share the broadcast, my name is man Apostle Alfred Oyinosa, the man standing for the truth, and I will continue to stand for the truth. God bless you now. I will see you now later in the evening. As God they open my eyes, I will reveal a lot of secrets. Una do well. God bless all of you now. Thank God for everything. This one a pioneer school. This one a pioneer school, very big school for you. This one another very big school. Another very big school. So that's what it be. Una do well. This road now, the one who tie and so they know the marker already. The one tie and so they know the marker already. That's what it be. PDP. That's it. Power to the people. If we did already way wedding. Most see the sample for 5 day there. So my people, when I get a sharing broadcast. So I beg. This one are the reason why me and the support of Obaseki for second term agenda. Yes, sin is believing. Not be to talk for much. I believe in evidence, not be Photoshop. That's why I come here, come show now the video. So I beg, make we join hands together to make sure Obaseki come back for second term so that I go feel complete this big project where they go on for this place. Una do well, my people. 4+4 Ogbane, 4+4 Ogbane, Owa Tape, 4+4 Ogbane, Owa Tape, 4+4 Ogbane, 4+4 Ogbane, 4+4 Ogbane, 4+4 Ogbane. Make we see this soundboard whether so that okay, this one at the rubber research area. No wahala. So my people, now so it God will bless all of you now. We go see you now in the evening. Muna remember now September 19. So, una do well. God bless all of you now. Una bye bye.